So here's the video of these screws not fitting and two extra pieces that have no idea what they're for. There's this piece which is not on the instructions. And there's this piece which is not on the instructions. This is the only instructions that I got, and it's double-sided, but that's how you cut the bottle once the actual thing has been put together. This is the instructions, and those two pieces that I just shown you are not anywhere on that at all. This is obviously that thing, and I know it goes like that, and you have to line up the holes with that, but I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm not going to use this because it's too bloody hard to try and do. And I'll show you how these don't fit. Using the screwdriver that was in there. They just don't fucking fit. Like, how the fuck am I meant to film this and screw it in? Well, try and screw it in. Look at that. That is not going anywhere. No, because the screw is too big for the hole. It went nowhere, literally went nowhere. And these are the only screws that I have. They're all the screws that I have are the exact same size. And these ones here, which go into this thing, which goes here, also, I'll just unscrew the bolt off, the nut, sorry. Of course, this one's got fucking two. Oh, fuck. Okay. So this doesn't fit in there. This is, it literally goes into that thing, goes into there, but then doesn't does not, no matter what you do, does not, nah, that's not going in. And the fact that these should easily go in, these should easily go in, because you have to adjust for different shaped bottles and different size bottles. So none of these screws fit, and also you have to be able to easily adjust these ones so then you can slide that thing back and forth. Okay, so that's literally, it's a piece of crap. And yeah, this won't obviously fit either because it's not these things that aren't fitting, it's the screws that came with it. All right, bye.